Ready?
What up? It's your boy Adam. Blob.
Holiday time.
We've got in the car.
Not to rub it in.
Huh?
Book by the 26th of...
When the radio plays Harry Potter. What's up, guys? It's your boy Adam back at it again with another vlog.
Except for we're somewhere different, aren't we?
Oh
We're
yeah.
not in
Oh
our
yeah.
usual setting.
We're not in the usual place. This time we're in an airport.
We're going to Paris. Paris.
We're going to Disneyland. This is going to be like a travel vlog. Yeah, so we're doing it in 2 vlogs. We're going to do one at Centre Parks. 2 vlogs, one at Centre Parks, one in Disneyland. Yeah, we'll talk about more about that later. First thing she does when we go on holiday, shopping. How you doing, Alex? Just boy Adam back here with another vlog. Get up. Just met my boy Nicholas. He is a campaigner for facial equality and anti-bullying. He's only 10.
He's 10.
Got a YouTube channel, so go follow him. It's called NickTube channel. I'll put the link in the description.
Very good stuff. Respect to him, little man.
Yeah, massive respect.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
He does do good stuff. Because a lot of people don't do any stuff. He does some pretty good stuff.
Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the egg.
So, this holiday, we're gonna, for the first couple of days, we're going to Centre Parks, which is no one's ever stayed in before. Brand new, opened like.
I'm sorry, really disturbing my reading experience. Do you want me to stop reading? Just to like
That's
chat
right.
to you?
Go for it. Go for it. I'll just chat to myself.
Do you want me to read?
When did Centre Parks open? Today. I think it opens today.
This week, yeah.
This week, so we're the first people ever. So we're going to vlog that, and then we're going to do another vlog, and we're going to another place to Disneyland. So we're going to vlog that separately, and then I'm going to do a whole Paris video with no speaking because I understand some people are sick of that.
1 hour later.
Thank you. Cheers. Plane, bro. Off the plane. Thank you.
Merci, mon chéri.
Say thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. You know a little bit of French.
Huh?
You do a bit of French. Say, where's the toilet?
Toilet wet? My mum sometimes.
What? You're so strange.
Because it's funny.
You're
And
cute,
she'll
aren't
like
you?
kiss me on drive and I'll be like, off guard.
Vlog your life away.
Is he recording? He is, isn't he?
Say to the people, what's up guys, it's your boy Alex back out again with another vlog, but in French. Bonjour. What's up, c'est Gu. C'est garçon Adam.
Vincent.
Back at it again with the
another baguette.
With the novel vlog.
All
Garçon.
these French people are making like, and you're talking like that. That's like them coming to England and just start randomly speaking in an English accent. You sound like an idiot.
Mon chéri.
You sound like a dick. To C-Max.
We get the boots and we get the...
There's our villa, there's Leah, there's the playground, there's Alex. Hey.
Hi, I'm tired and hungry.
You're driving dad, you made it here. So you get these little wristbands which let you into the swimming pool. There's a swimming pool and your house and in and out of the park. Is that it?
I think so.
Whoa, this place is cool. This is sick.
Oh, it smells really nice.
Wow, this place is really cool. This is the first time anyone's ever stayed in here, isn't it?
Yeah,
Nobody's ever been in this place before. Very fancy. Oh, there is a bedroom for
I
you.
don't have to share a room.
Oh. There you go, there's your bed, Alex. Down in the corner. This is a 3-bedroom house. Look how many plates there are. And bowls. Look how many mugs there are. What?
Your mug.
I'm giving a review for the people.
Yeah, mug.
What a mysterious world.
Extraordinary gardens. There are little areas that you get to explore.
Alright,
For you.
fair.
One's the Aqua Lagoon and the other is the Extraordinary Gardens.
Cool. Buildings do look pretty cool, don't they?
Yeah. What's this?
They've made it look like it's like all overgrown. Does it not feel like it's like abandoned and we shouldn't be here?
Yeah.
There's literally nobody anywhere. Look, it's empty. Okay, that's bowling.
The bowlings.
Nobody's in there. This is restaurant 1.
Great.
Can you look at the menu?
Yeah.
Wine bar. Nature de Coudre. I wish I could speak proper French so I'd actually know what these places meant.
If we were here with Rue, he would just be our translator, wouldn't he?
Yeah, he would do.
Real estate. That's where you can buy your own
Alright, okay.
little villa.
Yeah, the food looks good. What, there? Should we sit there by the tree?
Yeah. Should we sit here?
Come on, so how much was that meant to be?
It's good. How's your pizza?
Good.
And this is what happens after a couple of beers. Music I'm putting to this. The drums. This is the Aqua Lagoon.
Film that I'm thinking of.
All the way, walkway up to the top. Look in there.
I would think sometimes when I walk
Do you reckon they have a plunge pool?
Hello?
What the hell was that?
Yeah, we're not going on the slides.
This is haunted. Haunted.
The next morning.
Alright, day 2. Going to go to the swimming pool today. Might not take this camera, we're gonna... Where is it? Camera, we're gonna take the GoPro so we can go down the slides. In there.
We are going to the wet stuff.
How many slides are you gonna go down?
0.
0 slides.
I don't like it, it scares me.
Where's your gorilla pod gone?
2 out of 7 of the slides are closed.
2 out of 7 ain't bad.
Using the GoPro, so expect some crappy audio. In 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, this is boy Adam back at it again with another commentary. So, last time we used a GoPro, we realised the audio was shit. So, this time I'm gonna narrate it for you. So, this is the swimming pool. That's the slide. That's the outside. So yeah, basically this is the Aqua Lagoon. This is like me and Alex on the lazy river. So you got this huge outdoor bit, which is pretty sick. This is me and Alex trying to have a race. I won because Alex is crap at everything. I think I said slides are this way. So yeah, I said this slide which was like a vertical drop, which was mad. Yeah, this slide was sick. We went into this like huge chamber bit, which was mad. I think we were the first people ever on this slide. Oh yeah, I probably should have took Leah on this because she didn't go on anything else after that. To be honest, they're probably some of the best slides I've ever been on at water park. But yeah, that's the drop one. But yeah, that was mad. There's like a racy slide. That's where I almost flipped over the slide. That's a wave pool where there was nobody at. But yeah, that's the end of the epic slide commentary. Look at all the cheese. Really? This is quite expensive. He's fine, look at him, he's a big strong man.
Basically what's happening here is Adam can't carry anything because his hands are full because he's got a vlog.
Everyone's asleep. Right, we're gonna play Alex Buckaroo.
2 hours later.
That's not nice.
Oh, no, she's limp. Oh no. Oh god, she's limping.
Oh god, poor thing.
Oh, she...
Why is she running?
Dad, this is Disneyland. Where have you taken us? Hey Leah, there's lots of people here.
Where's Belle?
I don't know, somewhere. World of Disney.
Oh, can we go in there?
Look, Mickey Mouse. This place is cool here.
Not a childhood if you don't have one of these.
That is true. I feel like caps are my thing, and we definitely need a Disney cap for this. Disneyland.
That one.
Mickey Mouse one. Oh, that is cool. I feel like that's it.
That's the one.
That's the one. This is the cap that I will wear all weekend. Yeah, thank you.
Story.
Look above you.
Early the next morning.
Electric bus time.
Yeah. I'm good. We're going to Paris.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3 in Paris.
Excitement is real.
Day 3 in Paris.
Toil. Croissant.
Give me. We're in Paris now, going to the Arc de Triomphe and the Champs-Élysées to go shopping. We're going to buy some Gucci slippers and some Prada necklaces. Buy a Gucci, buy a Prada. We're doing. Then we're going to go up to the top of the Eiffel Tower. We just fill you in with that.
But we keep you updated.
Cheeky little French montage.
Cheeky little bit.
Cheeky little French montage.
Cheeky little French montage.
Si noir que mes deux petits yeux n'arrivent pas à croire qu'ils sont heureux. Dis, est-ce que le jour il reviendra de mon corps?
Straight to the top. Straight to the top, man.
Je n'ai jamais peur, même seul dans mes draps. Pas mal au cœur.
That scares me. These two girls, they won't go to the edge. Like it there.
I really like it. Let's set up camp.
He's driving a Ferrari. Alice is going to drive a Ferrari. No, so it's all on you, mate.
Which one?
You're mad, mate.
Nervous. What do I do?
Have fun, mate.
Thank you. Ready? Oh my god. That was worth 90 euros in itself.
That's it. Going home now.
Going back to the nook.
We've got one more day left of this vlog, and then we're doing another vlog.
Might be going on a cheeky little cycle ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
The next day.
Mayo, peer back.
I know. I feel the same.
Hello.
The straw hair was all in his eyes. Oh yeah.
Oh, he likes you.
I gave him a little trim.
This is all a bit random. 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 This is all a bit random.
Oh yeah, check out the ride.
On a bike ride. We're being naughty because not actually allowed to cycle through here. This is what most of the roads look like. We're being chased down by an electric bus. Like I say, there's quite a few things we haven't been able to film. The only thing that's open is bowling, and there's a couple of restaurants open. But the rest of the park is closed. I'd say come here while the price is still low. Literally, it's perspective. No bikes. But that is my review. This bit is amazing.
Yeah.
The pool is amazing.
I would genuinely say that if you're going to come here now, don't bring children.
Yeah, don't get bored.
Yeah. Like I would say you can make your own fun here really, can't you? By chilling out,
Yeah.
enjoying a glass of wine whilst looking at the scenery. But if you've got kids, it's harder to do that.
Advice would be to wait.
Yeah. I think it's really great that what is here.
I'd say we'll be finished for another 6 months to a year.
Properly.
But yeah, right. Spend the last bit in the pool.
Yeah, and then we're going to go to Disneyland Paris.
Yeah. Right, we're ending the vlog, guys. It's the end of vlog 1.
We're now going somewhere else.
Davy
It's owned
Crockett.
by Mr. D-I-S-N-E-Y.
First one was Centre Parks in Paris. This one's gonna be Disneyland. Going on roller coasters. We enjoyed our review of Centre Parks.
Au revoir.
Right, that's the end of the vlog. We'll see you. I'm really sure about to start the next one.
See you
See you tomorrow.
on the one above.
Right,
Is that right?
take it easy, guys. Peace.